Are you facing low disk space on Windows 11? In this video, we are going to clean up disk space on Windows 11 without installing any cleaning app. We are using cleaning function provided in Windows settings. Now we open Windows settings from Start menu, or you can use keyboard shortcut combination of Windows key plus I. Then we click Storage section. Before we cleaning up the disk, we can see here we have 26.0 gigs free disk space. And now we click temporary file. Wait to scan the temporary file we can remove. First, we can see window update screen up here. It consists of previous window updates file. If you don't have idea to roll back to previous version, then you can tick this file. Next, I will tick for recycle bin option, since I don't want the file inside the recycle bin anymore. And next, remember to untick this download option unless you want to lose your old download file. If you select this, the file in here download section will be deleted. Other options below like the thumbnails, temporary internet file, temporary file are less important, so you can select whole dash file. Then from here you can see how much memory you can decram after you remove dash file. For my side, you can see I can decram 6.34 gigs. Then we click remove file to clean up temporary file in your disk. Now we go back to storage section, and you can see that we have successfully decrammed some disk space by removing the temporary file. Before you go, give me a like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.